Scott, let me take a shit. He's growling. Check on my back. I hope you don't come knocking on the door when I'm taking a crap. Crap in that stuff. I told that lady that I can't even walk the dog because it hurts so bad.
I don't know if I should like get the